Good morning, one and all. It gives me great pleasure and privilege to be here on this occasion of PSK online lecture. I, Dr. Dheeraj Oval, as a HOD of Commerce Department, would like to welcome all my TYBCom participants for the PSK online lecture. Today, we are going to discuss about the chapter 2 under the PSK semester 5, material research and e-material management. And today, we are going to deal with the first question, explain material research and explain the need and importance of the material research. Now we are going to see one by one here. What do you mean by about the material research? The meaning is here, material research means systematic, formal, and continuous analysis of all factors affecting the material management. Material is an essential part and which consists of more than 50 to 80% share in the total asset of the organization. It's a denote one third of the total asset of the company is in the form of the material management. Then we can say it is a continuous regular basis and systematic manner we are going to research about the material management function. And even also I have given the one of the example. Look at the sugar industry. Sugar cane is the basic raw material which is having more than 50 to 80% having the investment value in the factory. Even also petrol industry, the crude oil is the basic the raw material having the more than 90% value. Then we can say these are the certain kind of the industry which are having the material value more than 50 to 80%. On that time, before purchasing the raw material, as per our requirement, we have to do research. We have to find out uh, we have to find out the quality, quantity, right time, source, etc. And we have to go to analysis all the factors of the material management. Now we are going to see why it is essential, what are the advantages, what are the need of the material research. One by one we are going to see here. Now look at the here. This is the shortcut. With the shortcut, we are going to complete the 7 points under the need and importance of material research. Now look at the first one is a long, L-O-N-G, long. The first point is a long and the last point is a short. It is opposite of a long. We have taken the two words. One is a long, another is a short, and the remaining are the super. With the help of the super, these are the five alphabet SUPER. We are going to complete the seventh point under the need and importance of the material research. Now we are going to see one by one here. The first point, as I mentioned, long-term requirement of material. We are doing the business for the long term on a continuous basis. Therefore, we have to find out the source of material that would be used for the long-term requirement of material. We need a material for the long term. Even also we have to identify the source, the material which are easily we can get to continue the smooth slow flow of the production. Now look at the last one is a short term requirement of material. Some of the material we need for a short term requirement. I would like to do the example about the raw material control convert into WIP convert into finished goods, and at the last end we can say after the complete the finished good we are ready to sell in the market, dispatch to the market, we need a packaging material. Therefore we can say as per the requirement, as per the finished products produced in the factory, we need a such a packaging material which comes under the short range requirement of material. Now look at the here, as I mentioned that one super. With the help of these are the five alphabet. S indicates source of material, U means updated technology, then P is a price and trend, estimated of material cost, and the last one R for role of the government policy. With the help of the super, we are going to complete here the need and importance of the material management. Now we are going to see one by one what is the indicate that one. Look at the here first point, long-term requirement of material. Long-term requirement of material means material research helps in determining the best source of supply, and that helps in deciding company long range requirement of material in a proper way. For example, if I have a sugar industry, I need a sugar cane for the long-term requirement. Therefore, in a nearby villages, nearby cooperative society, nearby the farmer, I would like to make a contract with them for the long-term basis. Therefore, I am getting the raw material on the long term requirement. Therefore, material research, with the help of the material research, I can get the idea where the sugarcane production has taken place, which are the best quantity of the sugarcane I can get easily. I have to contact that sugar farmer and the farmers, those who are nearby in my sugar industry. Therefore, it is a indicate how can you get the long term requirement of material supply from the best source. With the help of the material research, we can get the better source for the long term. Now we are going to for the source of material. Material research helps to find out the source of material, where the capability over the next year, and those who are the supplier, those who are the seller, he is in a position to provide me the material. I have to check whether he is that capacity for the next 10 year, he is going to provide me that material. Even by side, I am going to search also alternative source of the supplier, the vendor development program I'm going to do under the material research for the guarantee for the long term as well as the continuous source of the material. Now look at the here, material research helps to also updated technology. Now we have seen the due to the external environment, political, economic, social, technology, these are the unpredictable and continuously changing environment. Even also we are going to see also the updated technology should be the part of the material research also. The technology changes expected in material also, from which material are purchased. Now before the I think so 5 to 6 year backs, we purchase the material on offline sources, but due to the pandemic or lockdown situation, whatever the material we are going to purchase, or it is obviously more than 100%, we can say it's an online purchase going through the internet and computer also. Then we can say update technology, we have to update all machinery also, we have to update our purchasing styles also, that comes under the update technology. Estimated of material research helps to anticipate the material requirement. It is also helping to carry out the production in a smooth manner. With the help of the material research, we are in a position to think in advance what is the exactly materials required, then how the demand will be created in the market. We can identify with the help of the material research, and as per our requirement, we are going to do our production schedule. We are going to purchase the material on the regular basis for the smooth flow of the production activity. Then price trend, even also material research helps to understand and to helps to analyze the price trend and select the best price of the placing an order. It helps in the pricing policy. Material research, we are going to give that kind of the overview, where is the best material within the low price available, which are the winter development program we are going to do that one. Therefore we can say that one material research helps for the price trend also. Now look at the here the role of the government policy. This is the one of the external policy. As per this policy, we are going to follow this one. I think so 5 to 6 year back, so there are a lot of the taxes available in the country. Now we have seen the GST is applicable everywhere. The expected changes in the government policy in the related area, we have to adjust our policy according to it. For example, if tomorrow the Maharashtra government will declare plastic ban in the Maharashtra. If I have plastic unit, then I have only two options. I have to withdraw my business. I have to go shift my business to other state. I have to modify as per the government's requirement. Then we can give the importance to the role of the government policy. Now the last one is your short ranges requirement. As I mentioned that one, even also for the material requirement for the production purpose, we need some kind of the material which are for the short range requirement. Material research development not only find out the best source of supply, but also get the information about the short range long range requirement of material in the future period also. We need a basic raw material converting to WIP into finished goods, and we have done the production. Now our products are ready to sell in the market, therefore we need a packing material. Then we can say raw material we need a continuous and regularly long term basis, but the packing material as per the requirement of the arts, that is comes under the short range requirement of material. Yeah, these are the information about the need and importance of the material research. Now students, look at the here the recap. With the help of the shortcut long, and the last one is the short term requirement, long term material requirement, and the help of the super, we are going to complete here the question about the need, importance of material research, long term requirement of material, short range of requirement of material, super source of material, updated technology, then estimated of material, price trend, and the role of the government policy. Yes, thank you all of you for your precious listening. Thanks a lot.